Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BBQ coleslaw step by step. Start by prepping cabbage and carrots, then measure dressing ingredients. I walk you through chopping, mixing, and tasting adjustments with simple tips. Expect a bright, creamy slaw that complements smoky barbecue without overpowering it. I include quick swaps for mayo, vinegar, and sweeteners plus storage advice so you can make it ahead and keep flavors vibrant. Gather 4 cups shredded cabbage, 1 cup shredded carrots, and dressing components before you begin. Measure 1 cup mayo, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon mustard for reliable results. I recommend tasting as you go and adjusting salt and pepper to your preference. Keep a bit of extra vinegar handy to brighten the mix if it tastes dull after chilling. Fresh ingredients make the biggest difference here. Start by shredding cabbage and carrots, aiming for even pieces so dressing coats well. Whisk together mayo, apple cider vinegar, sugar, mustard, salt, and pepper until smooth and pourable. Toss the vegetables gently with dressing until every strand is coated, then taste and tweak with vinegar or sugar. Let the slaw chill at least 30 minutes to soften the cabbage and deepen flavors, then stir again before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.